How to fix Samsung A16 wireless charging not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, like that. And then click on restart. Restart your device. After restarting your device, then enable your fast charging mode. For enabling your fast charging mode, then open settings and click on battery. After clicking on battery, then click on charging settings, and here you can see the option fast charging. Now enable this button. After enabling this button, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back and open software update. Click on device care and then click on software update, and here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update your latest software, then update it to latest software. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.